Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to log in with Google Play account in Brawl Stars. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, launch the game from your app list or your home screen, or even at Google Play. Once inside the game, find the menu icon or the three horizontal lines icon in the top right corner of your screen. Tap on it to open the menu. In the menu, select Settings or Gear icon. This will bring up the settings options, where you can manage your account and game preferences. Look for the Connect button under the Google Play option. Then you will see an option to connect to your Google Play account. If you are not seeing Connect to Google Play option, that means it is not available in your country, and the only option for you to connect Brawl Stars is with your Supercell ID. So, once you are on this page, tap on Connect if it's not already linked. Sign in with your Google account and a Google sign-in screen will appear. Choose your preferred Google account or add a new one if needed. Follow the on-screen instructions to log in. After signing in, your Brawl Stars account will be linked to your Google Play account. So that's basically how you can log in with Google Play account in Brawl Stars. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.